The buy-in. I think one of the big bridges for us, I was very thrilled with our production management team. They seemed to follow Steve's lead very quickly and were thrilled with the process. I haven't heard anything negative about it, but I was really concerned. Probably October, November, December, it was pretty much managed by our production management team. And then when they started to roll it out to the floor, we were going to ask the guys to do their part. I was like, well, that'll be the next test for us. Let's see how well that goes. And when I asked Steve, it's like one meeting, it's the production managers managing everything. And the next meeting, he's telling me about the operators putting all the information in. I'm like, Steve, that's 1 week. How did you go from you guys to now everybody? And he's like, one of the biggest things that we had, and, if you haven't had the opportunity to use the software, it was call teams. We always talk in our all employee meetings or our production meetings. We're all involved in manufacturing. So yes, productivity is very important. Getting those parts out is important. Finding ways to do it faster. It's all very important. But a lot of times, no matter how many ways we all say it, no matter how many ways I said it differently or try to impress upon them that faster and master really involves all of us, they still took it that, hey, Ryan's talking about, I got to make more parts. I got to do more every single day. And that's really, really tough to get around. But when these guys saw what we call the call teams, it was a big signal for them that, hey, we have Amper on my machine, so it's already classed as critical. They're already tracking the performance. And now I've got this tool that, I don't want to have to explain at the end of the day why, I'm an hour off of where I should be. So there's a call team button. And Steve, everybody's got a mobile phone, the maintenance manager, the materials folks. And when the operator runs into a problem that's going to prevent him from maximizing his output for the day, he goes and he clicks on that call team and it automatically texts everybody on the team. I think there's a couple different setups. If it's clearly maintenance related or if it's like I don't have my material, a lot of people get a call or just the right people get a call. But then the call team also measures the response time. So faster at master doesn't just mean I'm making more parts every day. It means I've got a materials problem. I'm going to click this call team and Susan shows up, our materials manager. And, then she's got to click a button that says, hey, I'm here responding. Doesn't mean the problem is solved at that moment, but the operator quickly saw that, hey, they're serious about this. I've got an issue, click the button. Materials manager shows up to ask me what the heck is going on. So once they saw it wasn't all about holding them accountable, it was also about holding the rest of the support team accountable, it really went a long way. So that was January and February. And it's just, nothing has slowed us down at this point. I think Akshat's got maybe I went over that slide a little bit already, but the results have been impressive. And the adoption on the floor has been very good so far.